Wanna know how to add maps to WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up WordPress.com and make sure you are under your site's admin panel. Now, once you're there, you can either head on to post right here or pages as well, that is located right here. I'm just going to post, so you can just simply select any existing post of yours. Now, in order to add maps is super simple and easy. So what you can do is you can just simply select an empty block or empty text, and right here you should see this plus icon, just simply select it. Now once you're under plus icon here, you can just search for it or just select browse all. Now once you're under browse all, on the left side you should see this new tab open up. Now once you're under there, just simply search up for maps. So once you're under maps, here you should be seeing various map views from map 3, map 4 and much more. You can just simply select any one of these. I'm just going to select this map right here. Now you can just simply add all location of this map, so anything that you like. So once you enter the right location, your map should come up just like this right here. So you can also see various options while searching just like this. And that's it, super simple and easy. That's how you add maps. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.